Hi, I'm Jana Stewart, owner of Modern Cleaning with my husband Tom Stewart. I'd like to introduce you to cleaning with dry steam vapor with tanks, one of the chemical-free tools in the modern cleaning chemical-free cleaning methodology. For this demonstration, I'm using the Advanced Vapor Technologies Ladybug 2350 Techno with tanks disinfecting technology. In general, we find the bristle brush useful in common cleaning situations for their agitation of soils. The triangular brush is recommended for cleaning fabrics and for hard surfaces which are easily reachable, such as kitchen counters, appliance exteriors, and mirrors and windows. The large rectangular brush is recommended for cleaning floor tiles, wall tiles, and blinds. The smaller nylon brushes are recommended for cleaning hard-to-reach areas such as grout lines and corners. Before you use any equipment that applies moisture to a surface, be sure to confirm with the client the surface composition and any warranty restrictions related to the cause of damages. This will help you build trust with the client and avoid situations where even dry steam vapor may not be the best solution for cleaning. To clean with any brush attachment, attach the brush according to the manufacturer's instructions. Set the steam or moisture level to 1. Apply the brush over the soiled area and press the trigger to release the steam. Wipe away the dissolved dirt with a dry cloth. Be sure to continuously wipe away the cleaned areas before the steam has fully evaporated. Delaying may cause dissolved dirt to recrust, which can reduce overall productivity. As with any cleaning tool, begin by applying pressure lightly. Increase pressure or agitation with the brushes only when light pressure proves ineffective. You may also want to test the brushes on an inconspicuous area of the surface to ensure that the brushes do not scratch or dull the surface. If the brush does scratch or the client is concerned, wrap the brush head so that the cloth provides any required agitation without causing damage. In cleaning, it is important to both remove soil and protect the surface being cleaned to avoid damaging it. Now, before you take your hands-on practice quiz, you might want to review the procedures presented here with the video before demonstrating your proficiency to your supervisor. Happy cleaning!